Hello, I'm Amaryllis and I will show you how you can make Christmas ornament with paint marker and toilet paper rolls. To make these flowers ornaments, you will need 2 toilet paper rolls. Take one roll and cut it to open it. Lay it flat and with a marker, I use a paint marker, draw lines all over the roll. I choose to draw red lines as it's a perfect color and pattern for Christmas, but you can also choose to just paint the roll the color you like. You have to decorate both sides of the cardboard roll. Take a ruler and make mark to divide the piece of cardboard in 5 equal sections. Trace the lines to have 5 strips and then just cut them out. Take one strip and add some glue on one end. Fold the strip to make a loop and glue both ends to make a tip. This is the shape you must have. And then you just have to do the same with the other pieces. Time to make the flower shape. Add a little glue on one side of a piece and attach a second one next to it. Then repeat the process, add some glue on the side and glue the third piece, and so on until you finish the flower shape. This is the first flower you will need to make the ornament. Then you need to make a second identical flower, as you will need 2 to make the ornament. Place the flowers on top of each other. Check where the cardboard overlap. Then apply some little glue where you saw that the cardboard overlapped. This is how the flower ornament looks like. Now it's time to find a system to hang it. Punch a hole next to one tip. If you don't have a hole puncher, do not worry, you can just use a sharp item and poke a hole. Cut a piece of string about 30 cm, pass it through the hole and knot both ends together. I like to add a wooden bead to finish the ornament nicely. Pass the string through the bead and slide the bead so it will cover the string knot. And done, you are ready to hang your Christmas ornament in your Christmas tree. And of course, you can make as many ornaments as you like in any color you want to. Have fun crafting ornaments and decorating for Christmas. Do not forget to like and follow for more easy DIY ideas.